Hello, the SpaceX has again done the blowing thing in Starship's 8th flight test. It is not what you think, okay? A SpaceX Starship spacecraft, the upper portion of the most powerful launch system ever built, exploded during its 8th flight test on Thursday, disrupting air traffic and marking the second consecutive failure of the vehicle in this year. Starship's 8th flight test lifted off from Starbase in Texas at 5:30 p.m. Central Time on Thursday, March 6th. After about 2.5 minutes of firing, the Super Heavy booster separated as planned from the Starship's upper stage, setting itself up for a successful landing within the chopstick arms of Mechazilla, or SpaceX launch tower near Brownsville, Texas. It's the third time SpaceX has successfully executed the chopsticks booster catch back. With a test like this, success comes from what we learn, and today's flight will help SpaceX improve Starship's reliability, that is, in 8th flight test. And SpaceX will conduct a thorough investigation in coordination with the Federal Aviation Administration and implement corrective actions to make improvements on future Starship flight test. We will also discuss the investigation report of this 8th test flight once it comes. The Super Heavy booster successfully lit its 33 Raptor engines and propelled Starship through a nominal first stage ascent. Approximately 2.5 minutes into flight, the Super Heavy booster shut down all but 3 of its Raptor engines as planned for hot staging separation. Starship then successfully lit its 6 Raptor engines and separated from the Super Heavy booster to continue its ascent to space. The Super Heavy booster then relit 11 of 13 planned Raptor engines and performed a boost back burn to return itself to the launch site. As Super Heavy approached the launch site, it relit 12 of the planned 13 engines at the start of its landing burn to successfully slow the booster down. The 3 center engines continued running to maneuver the booster to the launch and catch tower arms, resulting in the third successful catch of a Super Heavy booster. Starship continued its ascent to its planned trajectory. Prior to the end of the ascent burn, an energetic event in the ATF portion of the Starship resulted in the loss of several Raptor engines. This ATF section is commonly referred to as the attic, is an unpressurized area between the bottom of the liquid oxygen tank and the ATF heat shield. This in turn led to a loss of attitude control and ultimately a loss of communications with Starship. Final contact with Starship came approximately 9 minutes and 30 seconds after liftoff. Starship flew within a designated launch corridor to safeguard the public both on the ground, on water, and in the air. Following the anomaly, SpaceX teams immediately began coordinating with the FAA and ATO, that is Air Traffic Control, and other safety officials to implement pre-planned contingency responses. With a test like this, success comes from what we learn. Okay, we will go through the investigation report once released by SpaceX of this 8th flight test of Starship. Thank you. Hey, a quick feedback note from us. We, as a team, believe when serious educational content is mixed with fun, it makes the technical nomenclatures more easy to absorb and gives hope to having fun with science and technology. We would love to hear your suggestion in comments, which helps us providing quality content. Here's your Radhika signing off with Feel Loose.